Hello, my awesome students. I'm a Linux administrator with 10 years of experience, and you bet this is going to be an amazing practical course. Your mission for today is to learn how to operate the Linux system and how to install popular applications known from Windows. You will discover basic commands, useful hotkeys, and find out how to solve everyday problems Linux users might face. Much more useful knowledge and practical examples are waiting for you. This course is the first step for both those who are thinking about a career as a Linux administrator and those who just want to change their current operating system. The Linux for Beginners course is 10 hours of HD quality video written by an experienced system administrator. You will learn only useful knowledge with lots of practical examples. Act now, take the course. The world is counting on you. Looking forward to an awesome learning experience with you.